Coming to the choppers, they are nothing but DC to DC converters. So the basic types of choppers are step down, step up, or combined combination of both of them. So in generally we can say them buck boost and buck boost. So if you see the type A chopper, that is step down. So there are mainly three components. One is diode, one is S switch, and one is inductor. Depending on the position of these three, these circuits are classified. So means depending on these position means what? That is going to change the output voltage across the load based upon their position. So in the first case, the output voltage is equal to alpha into Vs. Alpha can be D, mainly that is duty ratio. Duty ratio is turn on time of the switch divided by turn on plus turn off time of the switch. Okay, so that means it is obviously duty ratio is going to be less than 1 because only turn on time will be less than turn on plus turn off time, right? So V naught will be always less than Vs. That's why it is step down chopper, otherwise buck converter. Similarly, in case of step up, if you analyze the circuit, you will get V naught is equal to Vs divided by 1 minus D or 1 minus alpha. So here it is in the numerator, and 1 minus alpha, which is less than 1, is going to be less than 1. That means total denominator is going to be less than 1. So as a whole, V naught is going to be greater than Vs. That's why it is step up. Okay, so in case of R load, suppose if you consider load as R, the power delivered will be calculated as V naught R square divided by R. That subscript R indicates you that we need to consider RMS. Okay, yeah. And then coming to the power input to the chopper will be equals to Vs into I naught. Okay, Vs will be source voltage, that is DC, and I naught is average current output. Okay, right. So if you observe the quadrant of operation of step down, that is type A, it is quadrant 1. In case of type B, it is quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. That means the output voltage is always positive, but the current is negative output current. Okay, and if you see type C, it is of two quadrant type, that is combination of type A and type B. Here the quadrant of operation will be first two quadrants. It means voltage is always positive, but current can be both positive and negative. Right. So type C is known as two quadrant type A, and there is one more type D. It is also a combination of both the choppers, but in a different way, and it is known as two quadrant type B. Okay, those things are not needed. Basically buck and boost or buck boost are important. That's it. Right. Thank you.